Hi clickers, in this video I will show you how to change date of birth of Instagram easy and fast. Okay, let's start the tutorial. For the first step, open the Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app, let's open your profile. Let's press the Edit Profile menu. And then press Personal Information Settings. Here, you can see that you can change the email address, phone number, your gender, and your birthday. Okay, let's change the date of birth. Here, in this case, my Instagram account is connected with Facebook account. So I have to change the date of birth of mine with the Facebook. Okay, just press update on Facebook. I will be directed to Facebook account. Here you can see that I can change my date of birth on Facebook, which is connected with my Instagram account. Let's change. I will change to 1998. Okay. After that, just save. Oh. Yeah? You have to confirm and then save. Yeah, I've succeeded updated my date of birth in Facebook, and automatically Instagram will be updated too. Let's see. Yeah, my date of birth in Instagram has been updated. My birthday in Instagram before is May 5, 1995, and now is May 5, 1998. It is very easy, isn't it? If your account is not connected with your Facebook account, it's very easy. You can change your date of birth in Instagram easily without opening Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching how to change date of birth of Instagram account. Bye bye.